How to create customer? You can see this is a Peachtree dashboard. In business status you can see account balances, cash on hand, checking account, accounts receivable, allowances for doubtful, accounts payable, and here in revenue year to date you can see your total revenue, cost of sale, then gross profit, expenses, net income. Vendor to pay menu, you can see all your vendors to whom you are payable. Customer owe money means account receivable. So here you can see different menu show different details. In this menu customer and sale you can see customer complete list. In vendor and purchase you can see supplier complete list. Inventory and services includes inventory item or stock item complete list. Employee and payroll show employee complete list. But first of all, you must be learned that you should work in the top menu. In the top menu, file, edit, list, maintain, task, analysis, option, reports, services, window, and help. Because the dashboard you are seeing here will be completely changed when you go there to any company, because that company will be in that company the Peachtree will be a registered version, and there the dashboard will be completely changed, and you will see that this is not a Peachtree but the dashboard will be changed. Therefore the above menu can never be changed anywhere. Therefore we will work in this menu. First of all we will create customer, vendor, employee, chart of account, inventory items, and we will create different things in these maintain option. First of all we will create chart of accounts. In chart of accounts includes your all accounts, that is cash account, receivable, payable, inventories, assets, liabilities. All the accounts needed for accounting reports is available here. But some accounts like capital account, your company bank account, and some different expenses or specific accounts will not be available here, but you should create that accounts from here, from the maintain chart of accounts. Peachtree uses serial number, but you can also give your proper name, like in description Peachtree uses proper name. You can also give proper name in account ID, like capital account. We'll also write here capital account, capital account. What is the account type of capital account? The account type of capital accounts is equity, but in Peachtree there are three options for equity. Equity doesn't close, equity gets close, equity retained earning. When owner invested in the company and the amounts or money comes in the company, then the equity will be account type will be equity doesn't close. When the owner or partner of the company takes some money from the company, like that is called drawings, then the account type used will be used equity gets close. After financial year, when the company policy apply to retain some portion of the net profit in the business, then the equity will be account type will be used equity retained earning. Here we will give account type equity doesn't close. Saving, we will also give our company bank account. Suppose Standard Chartered or another name, suppose MCB Bank, MCB Bank, Account type will be cash because the company money deposited in bank account is the cash for the company, therefore its account type will be cash. We will save this one. Then we will click on account beginning balances. Select the financial year, which is 2016 January 1st to December 31st. This is a trial balance. We will put the amount in our bank account like we are passing journal entry. When a business started with a capital rupees, suppose 5 lakh, then bank account will be debited for 5 lakh and capital account will be credited for 5 lakh. Similarly in Peachtree, we will write here 500,000 on debit side and 500,000 on credit side. Both the side must be equal. Trial balance difference is 0. Now we will make it OK. Save and close. Refresh. Now you can check your balance sheet. You can see we have put the amount in bank account in chart of account. Here you can see our bank account. In account ID here is also a bank account, while in a balances here you can see 500,000 or 5 lakh. Now it automatically affect your balance sheet. You can check your balances from the view balance sheet. Click. Here you can see Ajwan and Co balance sheet December 31st 2016. Your current asset, MCB bank balance, total current asset. We have no other assets, therefore our total asset is 500,000. It's automatically credited to our capital account because this is the amount which is deposited by the owner of the company. Therefore it's automatically create a balance sheet for us. Thank you so much. Please join our next video.